Setting up your business roles. Shortcuts Live suits you and your business by allowing you to create and assign new roles and permissions. This ensures that your employees only have the features relevant to their role available to them, maximizing their productivity. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a new employee role, allocate employees to the role, and configure permissions for the role. From General Settings, select Roles, then click Add. Add the role name and ensure the toggle is set to active. To assign an employee to the role, move the toggle to Yes. Configure the permissions of this role by viewing the options under each of the headings and toggling Yes or No to allow or restrict access. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to create a new employee role, allocate employees to the role, and configure permissions for the role.